celebrating New Year's Eve. Alex, can you help me hang this banner? It keeps slipping down.
Sure thing. Taping it securely. There you go. Happy New Year in all its glittery glory.
Thanks. It's looking festive in here. I just hope we don't run out of snacks.
Not a chance. I saw your kitchen. It's like a mini grocery store in there. Chips, dips, cupcakes. You're all set.
You can never have too much food at a New Year's party. Speaking of which, what time is everyone arriving?
Around 8, I think. That gives us time to finish decorating and maybe squeeze in a quick game.
Good idea. Oh, did you bring your party hat?
Of course. It's silver with those sparkly streamers. What about you?
Mine lights up. Wait till you see it. It's so extra.
Perfect. By the way, have you thought about your New Year's resolutions yet?
Kind of. I want to be more consistent with working out, maybe try yoga. What about you?
I want to focus on learning something new. Maybe take a cooking class or pick up Spanish.
Those sound awesome. You could be whipping up tapas by next year.
That's the dream. Oh, speaking of dreams, what was the highlight of your year?
Tough question. I'd say my trip to the mountains last summer. The views were incredible, and I finally went hiking without getting lost. What about you?
Definitely landing my new job. It's been a roller coaster, but I'm so glad I made the leap.
That's huge. We should toast to that later.
Speaking of toasts, do you have champagne ready?
Of course. And sparkling cider for anyone not drinking. I also got those confetti poppers for midnight.
Oh, those are fun. Just don't aim them at anyone's face this year.
Lesson learned.
Hey, do you remember last New Year's? We were trying to watch the fireworks and it started raining.
Oh, how could I forget? We ended up soaked, eating soggy pizza under that tiny umbrella.
Best pizza ever, though.
True. This year, we've got a better plan, cozy indoors with great company.
Exactly. Oh, by the way, what's the music situation?
I made a playlist. It's got a mix of dance hits and classic New Year's songs.
Nice. We definitely need Auld Lang Syne at midnight. It's a tradition.
Already on there. And I added a few surprises. Wait till you hear them.
Can't wait. Oh, someone just texted. They're bringing party poppers.
Awesome. The more, the merrier. Oh, could you help me set up the photo booth area? I've got props like hats, glasses, and signs that say, New Year, New Me.
Love it. Everyone's going to want pictures. Did you get that sparkly backdrop too?
Yep, it's already hanging.
We are so ready for this party. Any predictions for the countdown?
Lots of cheering, a ton of hugs, and at least one person screaming, this is going to be my year.
Accurate. And maybe a few New Year's kisses?
We'll see.
Okay. Decorations look great, snacks are set, and music is ready. What's left?
Just enjoying the night, and making sure no one falls asleep before midnight.
Not a chance. It's New Year's Eve. We're ringing in the new year in style.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.